Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing a juice recipe with you. Juicing is an interesting way to include many fruits in your diet, and today I'll be sharing one such recipe with you. The recipe is with some oranges and grapes. Kids are very fond of oranges and grapes, so here let's begin with the recipe now. The recipe and the ingredients both are very simple. These are the orange segments and the grapes, and the oranges have been de-seeded, and we'll also be using some strawberry crush. You could also use fresh strawberry if you like. Now to begin with, we'll put all the fruits into the blender. And then we'll be adding some strawberry crush. Sugar is totally optional here. If the fruits are sweet, there is no need to add sugar. Once the blending has been done, now it's time to strain the juice, and if it becomes a little difficult to strain, a little water can also be added to dilute it. That will help strain better. Fruit vitamins are very important for our health, and this one is very refreshing to boost your mornings. Pour it in a glass and enjoy it fresh. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please subscribe if you haven't, and also do not forget to like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.